Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the course. Thank you so much for taking a look. My name is Nick Helton. I am the travel physio, and this is my course. It's called the Physical Therapist Guide to Stretching and Mobility, okay? In this course, what I want to show you guys is how you can stretch, how you can work through some gentle mobility drills, as well as teach you guys the basic anatomy and fundamental knowledge that you're going to need in order to perform some of these exercises, okay? I've designed this course to make it very simple for beginners all the way up to people who are advanced, okay? This course specifically is for beginners and people who are kind of just getting into stretching and mobility, but I think that even the advanced people will find some interesting topics in here. What I've done is I divided up into two sections, okay? Section 1, I'm gonna talk about what stretching is, what mobility is, and how to perform it. Section 2, I'm actually gonna show you how to do it, okay? So I've got over 20 videos that I filmed on how to do different exercises, different stretches, as well as different ways to kind of perform your mobility drills. This is the beginner's guide to learning how to stretch and perform mobility drills, okay? As a physical therapist, my job is to help people improve their range of motion, improve their mobility, as well as to improve their flexibility, okay? That's what I do for my full-time job. I work with thousands of people every year, and I wanted to create this course because that way I can reach the most amount of people the easiest way, okay? Thousands of people have the same question over and over again, and I want to create a course that would help you guys understand the most simple, basic, fundamental knowledge when it comes to stretching and mobility, okay? That's what this course is designed to do. So right now this course is completely free. If you scroll down and click enroll now, it will cost you absolutely nothing for the time being, okay? So if this sounds like something you might be interested in, guys, please scroll down and click on enroll now. I hope to see you guys in this course, and thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to come check out this video, okay? My name is Nick Helton. I'm the travel physio. I hope to see you guys later.